Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have a case for your Nintendo Switch 2. In today's video, I will be reviewing the Spigen Nano Pop for the Switch 2. I decided to pick it up. I wanted a case for it, and I might review different cases too. But I went on Amazon, I was able to pick this up, got it in a day or two with Prime, and I just wanted to review it. I have never reviewed a case for a Switch before, so we're gonna see what you get in the box. We'll see how good it fits. We'll see what type of protection you get. But let's get into it. If you want to pick up this case, I will have the links in the description. But same packaging from Spigen, like on their phone cases. So you have these little things here. It looks like they do have little sticky tabs there. You got some extra ones. You also have the sticky tabs on this. And I don't even know what pieces you get. You have a piece for the kickstand part, and then this is the back. It gives you instructions. We don't need that. So you have a piece for the back also. And it does have adhesive strips. So if you put it on there, you know, I don't know if you want to use the strips or not, but let's use them. This way we know it's holding in place. It reminds me of a folding phone. I mean, if y'all don't get folding phones, this is how most of the cases are. You have strips. And so I think this is more for like protection, dropping it, laying it down, you don't get it scratched up. But you have the cutouts. We're going to see how that all lines up. Let's take the little control things off. I wonder also, I will put, let's put the kickstand on there first, because that might be the easiest part. So you have the little kickstand there too. Same thing. Now if you didn't use the adhesive strips on here, this will fall off. It comes in different colors, so you don't have to get this blue and the adhesive strips are really on there. Just make sure you line it up with the kickstand there. And then you just want to press that down. I would do this at nighttime, so I wouldn't want to touch it afterwards, but if you have to, you can. Make sure it lines up. And here's this piece here. Again, kind of just snaps in there. Everything lines up. And at the bottom too. And then you can just squeeze it on there. I don't think it's going to come off. So you get protection. If you drop it, you don't have to, you know, it protects it a little bit. You have a lot of room for the cartridges in here. So you have a lot of room. Power button there. So yeah, you have a lot of room for the cutouts, and that doesn't look bad. And then on here, just want to pop that in. On the blue one. And they stay on there too. I mean, it's not coming off. And then you just want to make sure the adhesive sticks on there. Bam. So let's put this together. There you go. Bam, and then the back of it looks just like that. The kickstand still works. All the cutouts for the controls work too. They're all easy to get to. And then like I said, look, you can see all the buttons there. I think this is a simple case. It's not super heavy duty. You can still plug it in the little stand there without having any issues. I like the color combinations. Like I said, they have different ones. And it doesn't really add bulk either to the controls there. The control cons or whatever they call them. Now this one, look. The adhesive is sticking, but it comes off a little bit. This one, not so much. So, bam. I'm gonna rock with this. I think it looks cool. But if you want to pick this up, I will have the links in the description. Stay tuned to the channel. I might buy different cases from Spigen or either different manufacturers just to try them out. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Nintendo Switch 2 and also the upcoming phones that are coming out really soon. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out. You have a great day.